How to withdraw money from your Metamask to your bank account in 2023 complete tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be talking a bit about crypto related stuff, money related stuff, and we're going to be talking about Metamask. Here we are on Metamask IO, a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. And obviously, if you come down here, we can learn more about it. We can buy, store, send, and swap tokens. Available as a browser extension and as a mobile app, MetaMask equips you with a key vault, secure login, token wallet, and token exchange, everything you need to manage your digital assets. Explore blockchain apps. MetaMask provides the simplest yet more secure way to connect the blockchain-based applications. You are always in control when interacting on the new decentralized web. You can also own your data. MetaMask generates passwords and keys on your device, so only you have to access your accounts and data. You always choose what to share and what to keep private and more stuff like that. You can also see MetaMask also has a very fun interface that you can play around with just to, get comfortable with it. Your key to blockchain applications, it goes out to Aave, Axie, Gitcoin, Compound, OpenSea, Rarible, Uniswap, and even Maker. And basically that's all there is about MetaMask. You can also go into its features. You can see it has portfolio dApps. You can swap, you can buy crypto, and there's also EIP 1559 on it. You can also see its APIs and developer docs and stuff like that if you want to. That's like relevant stuff, so you can see it if you want to. Totally depends on you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to download MetaMask to our browser. So for that, we're going to go on download for Chrome. Now, once you click on download for Chrome, you're going to come here and it's going to ask you to add to your Chrome as an extension, and you're just going to download it. It's going to take you like a few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds. And once you add it to your Chrome, what's going to happen is it's going to come up here to your extensions with all your other extensions. So here we have it, MetaMask. So we're going to click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign up with your MetaMask. Now, the sign up process is it takes you a few seconds. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter your email. You're going to create a password. And once you've done that, you're going to end up here where it's going to ask you to sign in with your password again. Now, once you do that, you're going to add it in, and then you're just going to click on unlock. And once you click on unlock, what's going to happen is it's going to basically tell you have switched to Avalanche network, because obviously it follows like 2 or 3 blockchains. There's the Avalanche, which is the AVAX network, and then obviously there's the Ethereum chain. So here it says, things to keep in mind. The native token on this network is AVAX. It is the token used for gas fees. If you attempt to send assets directly from one network to another, this may result in permanent asset loss. Make sure to use a bridge. Your tokens may not automatically show up in your wallet. Click here to manually add the tokens and stuff like that. So obviously, as I said, there's 2 networks. There's the Avalanche network, and then there's the Ethereum mainnet. So it depends on you, whatever you want to switch to. I'm going to switch to the Ethereum mainnet because obviously more popular, more used and stuff like that. So now that I'm in the Ethereum mainnet, what I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw your money. So to withdraw your money, what you're going to do is you're going to click either on send. Now, once you click on send, it says search public address or ENS. So what's going to happen is you can either put in some QR code or some link you have to some external wallet. But in easier ways, like there is no direct way that you can withdraw your Ethereum from here. Like let's say you have Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum, let's say. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to transfer or you're going to send it to some public address. Now, what is a public address? Basically, in my opinion, the best thing that you can do is create a Binance account. If you don't know what Binance is the best and the most top leading crypto exchange from out there. And it's very trusted, very helpful, very useful. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account on your Binance. Now, once you create a Binance account, you're going to basically have let's say you're going to have a link on your Binance, which they're going to provide you. It's like a designated link that's only going to be provided to you. And it's a link that acts as a public address that you can put in places like your wallet. Like if I were to give an example for my Coinbase, or I even have Nami wallet, all of these wallets have this feature where you can add in the public address and the money or the crypto where it will be transferred to that wallet. So as you can see over here, if I were to click on send on my Nami wallet, Look at that. It asks me to enter some address. So like a wallet doesn't directly withdraw it to your bank account, but it does withdraw it to your public address to maybe some wallet. So if you have a Coinbase wallet or you have a Binance wallet, the best I'd recommend is Binance. So let's say you were to transfer it to your Binance wallet with your public address. Now what's going to happen is all your crypto and assets are going to be on your Binance. Now once they're on your Binance, what you're going to do is you're gonna basically go to your assets. Now to go to your assets, you're gonna go to your Binance settings, and once you go to your Binance settings, what's gonna happen from there is you're gonna get the option to transfer it to your bank account, or in easier ways. Let's say if I were to go here on buy crypto, here you can see you can deposit it in your bank. So like one of the paying methods on Binance is bank depositing. And like you can take money out of your bank to buy crypto on Binance, so you can also take crypto from your Binance wallet and store it to your bank account. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to verify your bank account, connect it with Binance. It's a very long procedure because you're obviously gonna need to do a lot of things to verify yourself, and I think you're also gonna need to send like a $1 or $2 bill from your bank to the Binance people to like actually verify that okay, this user is serious and they actually have a bank account. But yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Like you're gonna have your MetaMask funds over here. And once your MetaMask funds are there, as I've told you, just go and click on send, choose whatever the amount of funds that you want to send to. You're going to go in public address. You're going to add in your Binance wallet's public address. And once you've added that address, what's going to happen is they're going to send that amount of crypto to your Binance wallet. And basically, that is how easy and simple it is to withdraw money from your MetaMask to your bank. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful and informational to you. If it was, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And if I left anything out in this video, please let me know that as well. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.